Hello and welcome to Roosted Healthcare. In today's video, we'll be exploring shift templates, a powerful tool designed to simplify and streamline your scheduling process. With shift templates, you can create predefined shift setups for different job types, helping you manage your workforce more efficiently. To begin, navigate to Scheduling, Shift Templates. There's no limit to how many templates you can create, so feel free to design templates for every scenario, making your scheduling as efficient as possible. To create a new shift template, click Add. Give the template a name and provide a brief description. Once you've done that, click Add Template to save it. Now let's start building your template. Click Add Shift. Select the skill set you want to add to the template. For this example, let's add the CNA, OT, and PTA skill sets. For each skill set, you can set a start and end time. Adjust the number of workers needed by typing the value or using the arrows. Optionally, enter wage details and travel hours. Add comments at the bottom for each skill set. These comments will appear automatically when you use the template, and they'll be visible to the workers assigned to the shift. After entering any new comments, make sure to click Update Shift Comments to save your changes. Otherwise, those changes will be lost. Once you've finalized your template information, simply click the X to exit and return to the previous page. Let's go over Calendar View and add a shift template to a new or existing job. Click Add Shift, and at the top of the drop-down, select the template you created. By using shift templates in Roosted, you can significantly speed up your scheduling process, saving valuable time and ensuring consistency across your shifts. Thanks for watching.